The procession of dignitaries to the dais will start now. The procession is led by Surgeon at Arms Rotarian Anandan K, President Rotarian Vijay Simon, followed by Chief Guest DGN Rotarian TR Vijayakumar, District Director Rotarian Pratap Worki, AG Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran, GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday Kumar, President-elect Rotarian Leeson John, Secretary Rotarian Shyam Mohan, Secretary-elect Rotarian Joy Kolanur. Now our Surgeon at Arms will collar the President. Thank you. I now request President Rotarian Vijay Simon to call this meeting to order. Thank you, President. May I request all our members rise for a silent prayer. Please take your seats. Now I request Rotarian Shindo Chitlapalli to read out the four-way test.
The four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Thank you, Rotarian Shindo. We now request President Rotarian Vijay Simon to deliver his presidential address and welcome the Rotarians and all other dignitaries present in the hall and online.
Good evening all. Chief Guest, DGN Rotarian TR Vijayakumar sir, District Director Rotarian Pratap Worki, AG Rotarian Manoj Pushkar, GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday Kumar, President-elect Rotarian Leeson John, Secretary-elect Rotarian Joy Kolanur, other dignitaries on and off the dais, invited guests, aunts and aunts. A very warm good evening to you all. On this luminous occasion, I am standing before you with a content heart, in the strong belief that I have performed my duties to the fullest satisfaction, and in the capacity as the 14th President of Rotary Club Thrissur City, one of the most vibrant club of our district. In the success of any team is the support of its members. And this has once again been established by unconditional support given by the whole team of Rotary Club Thrissur City. First of all, I thank and salute all the Rotary members and aunts for facilitating me successfully complete this glorious journey. I have completed the 5th year of Rotarian, which molded me become a true individual. And upon this confidence, you had entrusted me with the task of presidentship of this prestigious chapter. Now I take this opportunity to welcome our dignitaries on the dais who are also the future leaders of our district. First, let me welcome our chief guest, DGN, Rotarian Tier Vijay Kumar, to installation function. It's my turn to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to our District Director, Rotarian Pratap Varki. I welcome our Assistant Governor, Rotarian Manoj Pushkar, to the function. My heartiest welcome to our GGR, Dr. Udaya Kumar. I extended my warm welcome to President-elect Rotarian Dr. Lisan John, and warm welcome to Secretary-elect Rotarian Joy Kollanur. I also welcome all the presidents and members to neighboring clubs, invited guests, award recipients, and well-wishers to our installation function. All the achievements made during this year, whereas I am happy to dedicate all the achievements and good things to all members of this charter. If there are any pitfalls, I am solely responsible for that. And if any of my acts you felt offended, it is only because of the pressure of responsibilities, and I request all the members to forget such incidents. I am deeply indebted to my family for the unconditional and great support given to me during this year. I am proud to say that my family always stood with me in shouldering the responsibility and was also a part of the executing team in all the major programs. I am also thankful to my Secretary Shyam Mohan and all the members and their families for the warm support extended to me during my term. I assure my wholehearted support to Rotary Club Thrissur City and Rotary in the future. I also request all the members to give your full support to the incoming team, which will be the lead by the dynamic President Dr. Lisan and Rotarian Secretary-elect Rotarian Joy Kollanur. I am sure I am handing over the baton to the right person, and I am sure that the chapter will be in safe hands and could bring the chapter greater heights. At this great moment, with great happiness and with a thankful heart, let me bid adieu to all of you as your president. And thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, President. The Rotary Club of Thrissur City has completed 14 years of service to the community. Our Secretary, Rotarian Shyam Mohan, will now make a multimedia presentation highlighting the major activities of the club during the just completed Rotary year. Over to Shyam, please.
Thank you. Yeah, so just want to start with a small prayer from our side. We have lost one of the Rotarians' children this year, and my prayers for Joel Sojan. So let us begin the report. So we were thankful, actually we were fortunate enough to start our tenure as a secretary, and this year under the leadership of Rotarian Jose Chaco, District Governor, Area 3201, and he was very supportive of all our activities. I thank him first of all, and of course I have to thank all the other officials like the District Director Rotarian M.E. Thomas, Assistant Governor Rotarian Rajagopal KB, and GGR Rotarian Manoj K. Pushkaran for all the support they have given us, because this wasn't an easy year for anyone. I'm very sure all the humanity will agree with me on this. So this was the district priority of this year. So I just want to give you a brief introduction of Rotary Club Thrissur City. Rotary Club Thrissur City was chartered 13 years ago on 12/12/2007. Our parent club was actually Rotary Club Vadakanjeri. So the charter president of our club was Rotarian Suresh PN, and the charter secretary was Rotarian Sri Kumar T. And they were inducted by PDG, Rotarian Baby Joseph. The new team under the leadership of President Rotarian Vijay Simon was inducted on the 8th July of last year, and in fact today is the 365th day. So we are proud to say that. It was, of course, there is a cake cutting ceremony that happened that day, and we had a few members gathered because it was during the COVID pandemic lockdown situation, and very few members were attended. And I have to point out that our GGR, the then GGR Rotary Manoj Pushkaran, the AG Rotary Rajagopal, and the district director Rotary M.E. Thomas all came and presided over the function. So this is a charter of Rotary Club Thrissur City, which we have here in front of you. And the President Vijay Simon, Secretary myself, Dr. Shyam Mohan, and Treasurer Rotarian Joy Colano. This was how we started this year. And of course, I have to mention this person. He is a major donor of our club, Rotarian Captain Shebi Olakengel. Currently, he is not here, but we always remember him fondly. We had MPHF. We had 6 members who were MPHF at the time, who were Rotarian Shebi Olakengel, Rotarian Dr. Anudat Brahmadattan, Rotarian Advocate Tony Chaco, Rotarian Paul Varghese, Rotarian Tony Oke, and Rotarian Dr. Varghese Gregory. So these 6 members were the only members who were MPHF. Now I have to say that everything is going to change from here on. We had PHF 23 members, who were PHF. This was old statistics. As I told you, everything is going to change. I will explain in the coming slides. So these are our members. Just to mention their names: Rotarian Anandan KV, Rotarian Dr. Anudat Brahmadattan, Rotarian Babu KK, Rotarian Captain Shebi Olakengel, Rotarian David K. John, Rotarian Dr. Bino Benjamin, Rotarian Dr. Shibu Kallivalapil, Rotarian Dr. Sunil K. Menon, Rotarian Engineer Nalinan CS, Rotarian Francis Jose Manawalan. We had Rotarian Francis Joseph Palayur, Rotarian Dr. Judo Joseph, Rotarian Dr. Lee St. John, who is to be the president next, Rotarian Nanu Kumar, Rotarian Paul Varghese, Rotarian Raju George, Rotarian Sanil Chaco, Rotarian Dr. Scott John, Rotarian Siju Francis, Rotarian Sojan CL, Rotarian Stalin Baby, Rotarian Sujesh, Rotarian Sunil JS, Rotarian Sunny Jos, Rotarian Swaminathan RK, Rotarian Advocate Tony Chaco, Rotarian Tony Oke, Rotarian Varghese Gregory, Dr. Varghese Gregory, Rotarian Wilson George. So these were the members at the time that we took over. Now we had inducted 2 more members. I'll come to that later. Our club administration chair was Rotarian Sojan CL. These are the dates on which we had conducted our meetings, although we have to say that all the meetings were held, most of the meetings were held through Zoom, and very few meetings which we cannot avoid were conducted in person. These were some of the bachelor trips that our members had. We had a fishing trip also. Now this was the only family trip that we could have this year, which was to the Plantation Valley, Adirapalli. And these are the pictures from the resort. We had a lot of fun and games that day, and this was the only function that we could have due to this pandemic situation. Now, just want to show some of the pictures of the meetings that we had, because we just want to show that all the meetings were held according to the COVID protocols. We had strict protocols during the meetings. So this was a club assembly which was held in the presence of our AG Rotarian Rajagopal and GGR Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran. This was a GOV which was held on the 24th of February at Pearl Regency. We had our DG, Rotarian Jose Chaco. Now, the chairman of community service was Rotarian Joy Colano, and we had a lot of projects under him, under his guideship. We had distribution of masks to Thrissur Corporation. In fact, we distributed the masks directly to the mayor. And we have Rotarian Tony Chaco, Rotarian Tony Oke, Rotarian Joy Collinur, and myself in that. Rotarian, our president, Rotarian Vijay Simon, had to, went to the police station in the beginning of the COVID season, about the pandemic, and he donated masks to the police station. We also had a project on, donating auto rickshaw shields, and we had one such distribution at Vinayaga Hospital, Palekal, one at Kalatodu Venu's Digital Arcade, and one at Swaminathan's Financial Services at Kurkanjeri. Now this is something unique that I found. I wanted to include this because it is an appreciation for Rotarian Shindo Chitlapalli also, because this was the day he was accepted into the Rotary family, and that is the day he went and donated to a poor family. So on the way to the Rotary, he already started charitable works. Now, this was some clothes being donated to Snehalayam, where it was done by Rotarian Tony Chaco and Rotarian Tony Oke. Now we were actually we along with Rotary Club Thrissur West had a mega project of COVID theatre, and that is one mega project that we did in association with Rotary Club Thrissur West. Now this is donating some Ayurvedic medicines to the cause of COVID, this one, so which we did. The Pankaja Kasturi was a company that donated the medicines, and we had donated it. These are the Christmas kits that we could give to the families, because it was a pandemic situation, everyone was in trouble, so Christmas kits were given out. And this is Rotarian Joy Collinur, the next secretary, incoming secretary, who is taking personal time and going and directly giving it to the families in need. Our chairman for vocational services was Rotarian Tony Oke, and I have to say Rotarian Dr. Judo Joseph was always present for all the pandemic or COVID related awareness programs, and he conducted a lot of programs in channels and YouTube and etc. Rotarian Dr. Bino Benjamin and Rotarian Dr. Siju Francis also conducted programs for the professionals. We had a session by Dr. Harun Pillai, who came down from Cochin, and he had it was an eye opener on road safety, and this we had forwarded this message to the concerned people, so that the Rotary can take up some project regarding the road safety. Again, the chairman of public image was Rotarian Paul Varghese, and this was an Independence Day celebration last year that we conducted in the school that we had adopted. The school's name is Nirmala School at Ayyandol, and very few people were attending because of the pandemic situation. We had one cycle rally, and this was a competition that was held at Coimbatore, and it was on cricket. So we had a team from Thrissur, and our club also contributed with players for the same, and this was their trip to the place to Coimbatore, and this is the team of Thrissur. Now these are some of the riders called IFMR, and it is International Fellowship of Motorcycling Rotarians. It is a fellowship in Rotary, and they were riding through Thrissur, and we, along with all the other clubs of Thrissur, hosted them, and we had a nice time with them. These are the members of IFMR Thrissur. Again, with them. So this is the next day morning when they are leaving. Actually, on their way, they had an accident, and our Rotarian Paul Varghese, Rotarian Tony Chaco, I think Rotarian Manoj Pushka, and all rushed to the area to help them out. And this actually gave us an idea and inspired us to start our own IFMR Thrissur subchapter. So if you see that 22 members are there in IFMR Thrissur subchapter right now, and among them 13 members are from our club. Our chairman district priority youth was Rotarian Dr. Siju Francis, And this was the first project on the first day of our installation. Actually, after this project only, we went for the installation ceremony. It was on 8/7/2020. We distributed some cycles for students who are in need. And this was giving out mobile phones so that the poor children can study. So this was also a project because everyone was studying from home at that time because of the COVID pandemic and lockdown. Our chairman, District Priority Environment, was Rotarian Francis Manavalan. And this was a project that we undertook along with Pamba Association. And this was a medicinal plant distribution for the students. Again, these are the medicinal plants that we distributed on that day. And this is again the same project only at Vinayaga Hospital. So we also were instrumental in setting up a garden at Nirmala School, and this is our members donating the necessary equipment and the related help that we can give for setting up the garden. Our chairman, District Priority Shelter, was a Rotarian Dr. Lee St. John, and these are some of the families that we considered for the shelter. The only problem was we had selected one family. Unfortunately, their patayam, what we call, was not ready, and that is the only reason we couldn't do it on time. So we are going to do it in a future date, but as of now, we couldn't do it. So these are the families that we considered for the project. And our chairman for TRF was Rotarian Captain Shebi Olakingil. And each member contributed $25 for the polio fund for the TRF. And the inauguration of COVID Theatre, as I told you before, along with the Rotary Club of Thrissur West. This is the inauguration function. So the mega project that we have undertaken this year with the help of all the members is COVID ICU, and it is going to be done at Jubilee Mission Hospital. It is a mega project, and we have already completed all the necessary steps. It is going on actually, and I'm very sure in the next tenure, once it is finished, we'll be able to give you more details about that. And this is the news that I wanted to give you all. We are now 100% MPHF. So that is one thing that now special thanks to, special congratulations go to all the members of Rotary Club Thrissur City for this. Now this was, again, we won this award, Outstanding Club of Rotary Club Thrissur City Award of Excellence, TRF Total Contribution, Category B. So this was an award that we got. Now Chairman Membership Development was a Rotarian Stalin Baby. And these are the two members that we inducted this year. We had a Rotarian Yasser and a Rotarian Shindo Chitlapalli, the new two members of our group. Just want to mention this person because this is not a simple person. This is a personality. He is a pathfinder. There is an organization called Toastmasters, and there's an award, there's an achievement, Pathkeeper, and Rotarian advocate Tony Chaco is a Pathkeeper as of now. Again, he was the best secretary, he was the best president, he was the best GGR, and now he is the best AG also, last tenure. And this is our Rotarian KV Anandan. He got a membership in a Premier Club of OPPO. Now these are the future project suggestions that current president and myself are going to give to the next team. A Rotaract Club would be a very good project for us. Signature projects are to be done. More contributions are necessary. More mega projects should be done. More members should come so that more energy also will be there. So these are some of the suggestions that we have for the next team. So this is actually my presentation, my report, but I have to say that I should thank few people especially, and I cannot, finish. It will be ungrateful of me if I finish without saying thank you to Rotarian Joy Colonor, because he was a great help, I have to say. So all the confidence that I had after coming or taking the tenure as a secretary, I lost because of the COVID situation, and these are the guys who took care of me. Actually, Rotarian Joy Colonor, Rotarian Stalin Baby, because all the functions are taken care of by these guys. Of course, Rotarian Tony Chaco is one of the path pavers for us, Rotarian Paul Varghese, Rotarian Shebi Olakengel, all the Rotarians who are seniors are always there for us. So thanks to all of you. I rest my report. Thank you all.
Thank you, Rotarian Shyam. That was a most impressive presentation. Now our President Vijay Simon will recognize the Rotarians for their contribution towards the club. This year, our club witnessed proud movements under the leadership and coordination of Rotarian Tony Chaco, implemented by a first global grant project, COVID-19 ICU Care. Rotarian Tony Chaco, please come forward and collect the recognition from our President. Please give him a big round of applause. Thank you. Okay. It's a historic moment for the club. Our club attained banner 100% APHF. Now our president will recognize Rotarian Sebi Olakengel for his exemplary dedication shown as the TRF chair. I now request Dr. Judo Joseph to accept the recognition on his behalf. Please give him a big round of applause. Thank you. Rotarian Joy Collinor for his exceptional dedication and support as the community chair. Joy, please. Thank you. Rotarian Stalin Baby for his memorable performance as the membership chair. Thank you. Rotarian Paul Varghese for his inspirational guidance shown for the club. Thank you. Rotarian Tony Oke, the GGR for this Rotary year. Okay, please give them a thunderous roar of ovation. Thank you, President, and congratulations all members. I now request our Rotarian Varghese Gregory to introduce our incoming President for the year 21-22.
Respected DGN Rotarian Vijay Kumar sir, DD Rotarian Dr. Pradap Varki, AG Rotarian Manoj Pushkar, GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday, other dignitaries on and off the dais. It's a rare honor and privilege for me to introduce the incoming president, as I am fortunate enough to introduce him to Rotary 3 years before. And I feel myself proud to introduce our President Rotarian MPHF Dr. Leeson John, a hardcore Rotarian and a fellow colleague. Rotarian John Leeson, hailing from Talakodur family, was born as a second son to Mr. George John and Fonzie John on 22nd of January 1983. He did his preliminary schooling at Sharjah Indian School, followed by Rajagiri School, Kalamasheri, and Don Bosco, Manuti. He did his higher secondary school at Santa Maria Academy, Vellachira. Dr. John Leeson is married to Mrs. Anna Rafi Akra, working as HR consultant at RK Builders, Kokkale. He has 2 kids, Harry Leeson and Evelyn. Harry, the 8-year-old, is studying in 3rd grade at Devamada School, and Evelyn is a 2-year-old. Dr. Leeson John did his Bachelor's of Dentist Surgery from Vinayaka Mission Dental College at Salem and post-graduation in Conservative Dentistry from Rajamuttaya Dental College, Chidambaram. He is currently working as Senior Endodontist at Pristine Dentistry, Kurkanjeri. Associate Professor, Department of Dentistry at Amla Institute of Medical Science, also is a consultant in endodontist and at several dental clinics across Thrissur, Cochin and Palakkad. He is a member of Federation of Operative Dentistry. He is a member of Indian Endodontic Society, also Indian Dental Association, Thrissur chapter. He joined the Rotary family on July 14, 2015. He was inducted by the then AG Rotarian Haridas. He has been a vibrant Rotarian ever since. He carried the club on his shoulders as Secretary of Rotary Club Thrissur City for Rotary year 2019-20. I am really proud to introduce my fellow colleague, a wonderful Rotarian, an ever-smiling dentist, Rotarian MPHF Dr. Leeson John, the incoming president for Rotary year 21-22. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Verghese Kikari. Now we come to the most important part of this function. President Rotarian Vijay Simon will now hand over the collar, club chart, gravel and pin to the new president, Rotarian Leeson John, the president of Rotary Club of Thrissur City for the Rotary year 21-22. Thank you, Vijay Simon, and congratulations, President. Thank you, Vijay Simon, and congratulations, Rotarian Leeson John. We now request President Rotarian Leeson John to deliver his acceptance speech.
Chief Guest DGN Rotarian TR Vijay Kumar sir, District Director Rotarian Pratap Varki, AG Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran, GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday Kumar, IPP Rotarian Vijay Simon, Secretary Rotarian Joy Kolanur, other dignitaries, on and off the dais, invited guests, aunts and aunts. It's my greatest delight this evening for you to trust and faith you bestowed in me as the incoming president of this club. It is a moment of great pleasure, honor, and privilege to be installed as the 15th president of the new vibrant club. I accept it with humility and would try to take it to greater heights with the help of you all. I am aware of my duties and responsibilities entrusted upon me as the club president. I pray to Almighty to give me strength and courage to overcome various obstacles and fulfill the goals. Having given the responsibility of leading a club with such a glorious past, we as a team promise our members of this club that we will give our best. We will ensure that the good work is continued so that we can realize our vision. As we all know, the success of Thrissur City wouldn't have been possible without the committed leadership of past presidents. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate immediate past president, Rotarian Vijay Simon and his board for a very successful year. My special thanks to incoming board for their willingness to serve, and I do look forward to dedication, commitment, and support. I wish to thank all the club members and families for their continued support the coming year, for giving up their most precious assets being their time and their skills. I am extra confident of their success. We have to establish an action plan to meet the goals and objectives set by Rotary International and our district. I am sure that all of members are in full alignment with the view. Fellow Rotarians and guests, I humbly accept the post of President of the Rotary Club of Thrissur City. Thank you all for sparing your valuable time and attending my installation. Thank you.
Thank you, President Rotarian Leeson John. The newly installed president will now install the secretary, Rotarian Joy Kolanur, as the new secretary for the Rotary year 21-22. Rotarian Joy, please come forward. Thank you. Now I invite our outgoing secretary, Rotarian Shyam Mohan, to hand over the account books to Rotarian Joy Kolanur. Now I just read out the office bearers of the year 21-22. The IPP, immediate past president, Rotarian Vijay Simon. Secretary, Joint Secretary, Zani Jos. Treasurer, Stalin Baby. Surgeon at Arms, Rotarian Nalinan. Chairman, Club Administration, Rotarian Verghese Grigory. Chairman, Membership Development, Rotarian Shindo Chitlapalli. Chairman, Public Image, Rotarian Paul Verghese. Chairman, Vocational Service, Rotarian Tony Oke. Chairman, Community Service, Rotarian Tony Chako. Chairman, Youth Service, Rotarian Sujesh. Chairman, International Service, Rotarian Scott John. Chairman, District Priorities, Lovely Planet, Rotarian Anudat. Chairman, TRF, Captain Shebi Olakingal. Chairman, District Special Projects, Rotarian Siju Francis. Chairman, Strategic Planning, Rotarian Dr. Shyam Mohan. Chairman, Rotary Club Corps, Rotarian Swaminathan RK. Chairman, Fellowship, Rotarian Sojan CL. Chairman, RI Priorities, Rotarian Francis Malawalan. Chairman, Club Bulletin Editor, Rotarian Francis Joseph. Chairman, COVID Care, Rotarian Judah Vachaparambil. Thank you, Rotarian D. St. John, and heartiest congratulations and best wishes to the President for this ensuing Rotary year. Now I request Rotarian Judah Joseph to introduce our DGN, Rotarian T.R. Vijayakumar.
A very good evening. Respected President, Dr. Lee St. John, DGN, Major Donor T.R. Vijayakumar, DD Pratap Varki, AG Rotarian Manoj Pushkar, GGR Dr. Uday, other dignitaries on and off stage, fellow Rotarians. It's indeed a great pleasure to introduce our pride DGN, because it's the pride of Thrissur. Rotarian Major Donor T.R. Vijayakumar will be the DG for 2023-2024. And to my knowledge, he will be the first DG from Thrissur. So Rotarian Major Donor T.R. Vijayakumar is a second generation Rotarian born to the illustrious industrialist Rotarian T.R. Raghavan, who established the Elite Group of Concerns. He joined the Rotary Club of Thrissur in 1987 and has been a 100%er ever since. In 1997, the Rotary Club of Thrissur Central was formed and he joined as a charter member. He is a Paul Harris Society member, a second level major donor, and a benefactor. He has been constantly active at the district level and has held the following major posts. 2001-2 Chairman of District Assembly, Trishna, during the PDG Rotarian Kuriachan's term. 2006-7 Chairman Village Adoption during PDG Rotarian Babu Joseph's term. 2009-10 he was Patron of Pets. 2015-16 Assistant Governor during PDG Rotarian Kamalesh Rahija's term. 16-17 he was the Chairman of DOTS. 2018-19 he was District Director during PDG Rotarian A.V. Pati's term, receiving the Glittering District Director Award. 2018-19 he was Chairman of the Grants Management Seminar Dvis, and 2018-19 he was chairman of the Membership Development Seminar Ozone. 2019-20 awards presentation chairman during IPDG Rotarian Madhav Chandran's team. 2019-20 is district coordinator international service during IPDG Rotarian Madhav Chandran's term. And 2020-21 he was chairman of the district assembly Inspire Plus during DG Rotarian Jose Chaco's term. He is the chairman of the following global grants. He is the Asha Kiran, a flood relief low-cost shelter program constructing a total of 34 low-cost shelters at a cost of 2.10 crores, sanctioned in 2019. And the Nectar of Life Thrissur Human Milk Bank Global Grants Project, the first in the state of Kerala. Thrissur project cost around 23.5 lakhs, sanctioned in 2020. His activities in international service include the following. He was District Rotary Friendship Exchange Chair in 2002-03. He was a member of the Rotary Family Exchange Program to North Carolina in 2015-16. He is a recipient of the Presidential Citation in 2017. He has attended the various international conventions at Toronto as well as in Hamburg. He was invariably hosted GSE team members whenever a GSE team member visited Thrissur. Now, he also holds the positions of President Kerala Distillers and Bottlers Federation. He was past President Chamber of Commerce, Tennis Trust, Walkers Club, and he was the chairman of TRR Educational Charitable Trust, Navanitam Cultural Trust, and Sri Narayana Old Age Home. He is also the managing committee member of the Bharat Vidya Bhavan, Thrissur Kendriya, and electrical engineering by qualification from the National Institute of Engineering. Rotarian Vijay Kumar's hobbies include acting, script writing, horse riding, and badminton. And he is happily married to Rotarian Asha, a past president of the Inner Wheel Club of Thrissur, and is blessed with two sons, Ravi Krishnan, a business graduate from Western Michigan University, and Rotarian Raj Krishnan, a business graduate again from Western Michigan University, and a PG from University of Edinburgh. So with all these words, I introduce Rotarian Major Donor T.R. Vijay Kumar, our DGN for 2023-24. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Judah Joseph. We now invite DGN Rotarian T.R. Vijay Kumar for his address. Over to you, sir.
Good evening to all. And Judah, thank you for your nice words. I remove one. Like both, it's very difficult. Thank you, Judah, for your nice words about me. It was very elaborated by one, but as you all know me very well in Thrissur, I don't think that reading was should have been avoided. Is it right? President Dr. Licent John, Secretary Joy Kolanur, District Director Padav Varki, Assistant Governor Manoj Prabhakar, GGR Dr. Uday, IPP Vijay Simon, and immediate Secretary Sham, and my dear fellow Rotarians, Rotarians, and friends. Let me tell you that I am very happy to be here today, this evening, to attend your installation ceremony. In fact, because Thrissur there's only few clubs, we could have been more clubs, but one of the most vibrant clubs is Thrissur city, that's what I feel, under the leadership of our Tony Chacos. Tony always very high about this club, always talk very high about your club, and he's a future leader. You could have enough from our district, our Thrissur region. I take this opportunity to congratulate the immediate president for his wonderful job in spite of this pandemic time. Your club could do many projects many humanitarian projects, COVID-related projects. Congratulations to President IPP and Triji and the team of office bearers and members for the same. I take this opportunity to thank all of you for one thing, to all the members of this club to support me for the recent, stood behind me, behind this recent DG election 2000, for the DG election for 23-24. As you said, Tony knows it was not an easy election. It was a very, very tough one. Without all your support, I don't think so I would have been in this position as like this. And best wishes to the incoming president and the team. I'm sure that what happened the last year, it's definitely an inspiration for the new team. I'm sure they'll take this club to new heights of service by the next year. Rotarians always take challenges. You all know that when the polio vaccine started, we took it as a very challenge 40 years back. And we feel really proud of it today, that we have almost eradicated polio from the world. Only 2 countries, Afghanistan, Pakistan, last year they found only one case each. So that's a great challenge. Even this COVID time, we know that the COVID is on the globe. All the Rotarians come forward to take a great challenge for the COVID. And you see our district alone, you have done so many projects related to COVID. Even in Thrissur, started with the, even big projects like oxygen generators, oxygen supplies, many projects are done by our district. Because it was, we Rotarians, take it as a challenge and come forward where this need is there. So your club also did a very great job for the COVID. And I'm sure that I feel that why not we all the clubs in Thrissur combine together and do a great project on this project system. And last year even I think our club also did many projects around worth of 10 lakhs rupees project we did in the medical college. But if it would have collectively do it, I think that you could have done a great project. So next year I request the President and the AG, DD, please promote and inspire our fellow Rotarians of Thrissur and make a great project. Okay. You all must have seen the installation ceremony of our International President, Shekhar Mehta. His team, you all know that served to change lives. He also said very clearly, caring and serving others is the best way to live, because it changed not only other people's lives, but also our own. I always, when I gone through these sentences, I have, what I felt is what Guru Srinarayana Guru said, Avanavan Atma Sugatinai Ajarikunai Abaranda Sugatinai Varana, which is related to very much on these 4 lines. Is it? So, whatever we do for ourselves, it should be good for others. So that is the message just given. So, we can do a lot of projects related to that, serving people. And also he said, he was very much care about girl child, their education. And in fact, that in our state, this has become very important issue in our state these days. You have seen all the TV channels. Even today afternoon, I heard that exploiting the young girls in many parts of our Kerala, especially such an educated, literate state in Kerala is happening. So we have a big duty to do, and do this part of activities. And our district governor, Rajshekharan, you all know that is one of the most committed and dedicated Rotarian in this district which I have seen. He has, I know him very long time association with him, and I'm sure that with his support, this district will be, come to a new heights of service. Even in his installation day, what I heard is, I could not attend there personally, but I was in the soup. Dollars are flowing, so many dollars are offering coming. I think he's covered $1.5 lakhs already the installation day. So I called Chella and said, Chella, ask him to stop it when you at least call somebody for 23, 24. Because mainly the Coimbatore people, they did it's a prestige for them to become a, but that in our state, our area, it is not that much keen on become, but our clubs in Thrissur is very good. When you go to other side of Muvattupuzha region and all that, I don't think it was not that much aware about much of this global grants and contribution towards clubs. And you must have covered a good money this time, How much was gone to RI? 23,000. I think you are the highest among these 4 clubs. Because I know Thrissur club has did only 13, and below that our club is $11,000. So congratulations, friends. It is a very good attempt you have done. And I always feel that the club is always President's Club. I don't know many people appreciate that my views. The President is the person who is to promote, encourage, and the members as a team and do the programs. So many clubs, when I talk about this, they said, no, it is a total club. No, the President has to first decide all these things, and the President has to promote everybody, then only the club will go further. So I request to take as a lead to do wonderful projects. And I know we are all under the COVID pandemic situation, and we are missing so many things in our Rotary Fellowship. No meetings, only Zoom meeting. So still then, we had to raise accordingly, and we did so many things, but our fellowship and cheer is missing. I said, God willing, within few months, this will come back. We'll bring back our fellowship and cheer and usual meetings. So with this, let me conclude my talk and wish you all a wonderful year 21-22. And any support from my side, please contact me. I'll be there for you. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating speech. Today is an auspicious day for the Rotary Club of Thrissur City. Besides being the installation day of the new president of the club has completed its glorious 14 years of Rotary service today. To mark this sacred occasion, our senior-most member, President, Rotarian MPHF Dr. K.B. Anudat will cut the charter cake. Thank you, Rotarian Dr. Anudat, and congratulations to all members of the club for this wonderful achievements. Now we move on to a special category, Bon Voyage to Rotarian Shyam Mohan and Rotary Ann Anjana Unikrishnan. Before embarks on their voyage to Ladakh, he is a member of IFMR, has taken the task of unity and equality. It's a 45 days trip from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Joining the team of IFMR Bangalore, it is the first project of our newly installed President Rotarian Shyam Mohan, representing our club. Hats off to your effort and dedication. Wish you a very happy and safe journey. Please come forward to receive a bouquet as a token of love and affection. Our President will now present him a bouquet. Thank you, Lee St. John, and all the best, Shyam Mohan. Now I request our District Director, Rotarian Pratap Worki, to address the gathering.
President Lee St. John, District Governor nominee T.R. Vijayakumar, Assistant Governor Manoj Pushkar, GGR Dr. Uday, Secretary Joy Kolanur, immediate past President Vijay Simon, immediate past Secretary Shyam Mohan. First of all, let me thank you for inviting me for this excellent occasion. I think this is one of the first Rotary meeting which I've attended with correct protocols. Congratulations. I attended one and I was scared to see in the Zoom, no mask, no social distancing, nothing. And we Rotarians are supposed to be an example to keep social distancing and mask. Please continue doing that because Rotary is helping a lot in COVID. I think the new oxygen plant is coming up in Amala, as AG said, with a total investment of 67 lakhs, right? International grant. So we are doing very good, and please keep on doing it. I like to congratulate outgoing past President Vijay Simon and Shyam Mohan for their wonderful work, even through this COVID period. And your new president, he has joined just 4 years back in this club, and you have made him the president. That means he must be an efficient character who can do things, who can complete projects this year. I wish you all the best, Shyam and Joy Kolanur and your team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, DD, Rotarian Pratap Worki. We now request Assistant Governor Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran to address the gathering.
A very good evening, President Rotarian Lee St. John, Chief Guest of the Day, DGN Rotarian Vijayakumar, District Director Pratap Worki, our GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday, Secretary Rotarian Joy Kolanur, other dignitaries on and off the dais, invited guests, aunts and aunts. I feel privileged and honored to be serving you as an Assistant Governor of our great Trichur zone, of our great district, under the leadership of our DG Rajshekhar Srinivasan. RI President Shekhar Mehta give challenges to us through his theme, Serve to Change Lives. All of us came to Rotary to get involved and to make a difference. And in Rotary service, as in just about everything else in life, the more you put into it, the more you get out of it. If you only put in a token effort, you won't accomplish very much. And you won't find very much satisfaction in what you do accomplish. But when you make the decision to truly engage Rotary, to bring Rotary service and Rotary values into every day of your life, that is when you start to see the incredible impact that you can have. That's when you find the inspiration, the excitement, and the power to truly change lives. And no one's life will be changed more than your own. So we have to engage us more to change lives through Rotary. That's a theme that what our RI President give, Serve to Change Life. That's a wonderful theme. I bring greetings from District Governor Rotarian Rajshekhar Srinivasan. This is an opportunity for me to honor and congratulate the outgoing team for an excellent and outstanding year of Rotary. Rotarian Vijay Simon, it's a very good year and you have done a lot of things. Now, it's my turn to extend a warm greetings to the new team of your successful tenure. I express my commitment to support you in your endeavor towards the betterment of the club and its members to the best of my ability. Our DG Rajshakhar has charged us to be the agents of the positive change makers. We envisage the community through 7 Mondays of Rotary that President and Secretary, they know very well what is 7 Mondays of Rotary because in our pets that was highlighted in a very good way and almost everyone is by-hearted. So I'm not repeating it again. He knows it very well. The club will perform in an excellent manner in all avenues of service towards the success of our district priorities, our lovely planet. Also, that is a major planning for the district priority, our lovely planet, with particular attention to projects in earth, water, and people. Also, TRF, make the very most of your contribution to Rotary Foundation. Every Rotarians every year means every Rotarians to support the Rotary Foundation every year. As our DGN told just recent on his speak that everybody has to support him on 23-24 to achieve the big heights from the first DG from our Trichy region. So we have to support him in a very good way to achieve his success. If your clubs is focused on implementing long-term and sustainable TRF projects, it is the best choice because global grants are now larger and flexible than ever before. I'm sure each one of you will be planning your activities on how to guide your clubs on having a great year ahead. As Helen Heller once said, alone we can't do so little, together we can do so much. So make it possible. Once again, I wish Rotarian Lee St. John and Joy Kolanur for his team for the best performance the coming year. Thanking you. Thank you.
Thank you, AG Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran. Now we request our GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday Kumar to address the gathering.
Dear President, Dr. Leeson, or the Colonel from Oskit, respected District Governor nominee Rotarian Vijay Kumar, respected District Director Rotarian Pratap Varki, respected AG Rotarian Manoj, respected Secretary our Vasutan, Rotarian Joy, respected immediate past President, and our biker secretary. This is my first time GGR and this is the first club's installation I'm attending, so I'll always remember you all with a lot of fondness in my heart. Like our district director said, you know, we are all following COVID protocols today, so it makes me a little happy because I'm a little paranoid about removing my mask outside. And I would just like to say that it's been a very difficult year last year. With the impact of COVID, you know, we don't know what to do, everything is online, we are scared to go out, people are suffering, but somehow I feel that your club has really made a difference. You have contributed enormously to the society at large. You have done some excellent projects from the simple mask to an ICU. I think this is a project this year, right? ICU? A theater. No, you had done a theater last year, you are planning an ICU this year. But it will be a fantastic project, let me tell you that your goals are in the right place and you're very lucky enough to have excellent leaders in your club, excellent members, and I wish you all the very best. Like we say here, the Rotary, our lovely planet, well, we have to take care of the planet because we have no other place to live unless Elon Musk decides to colonize Mars. But as of now, Earth is the only one which we have, so let us make the best of it. And the coming year also is not going to be any different compared to last year because COVID is not going to go away, COVID is going to be here. And it will throw up a lot of challenges and you will be facing a lot of new issues and new problems. But I'm sure that you will all do very well under the able guidance of your new president, Dr. Leeson and team, and also with the experienced members in your club. I just wish your club all success in all your endeavors, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday Kumar. Now it's time for felicitation. Now I invite Rotarian Saji for the presentation.
Hi, I am Saji Matthew, President of Rotary Club of Thrissur West, wishing all the very best wishes to Leeson and team for the Rotary year 2021-2022. Thank you.
നമസ്കാരം. തൃശ്ശൂർ സിറ്റി റോട്ടറി ക്ലബിൻ്റെ പുതിയ പ്രസിഡന്റായി സ്ഥാനമേൽക്കുന്ന എൻ്റെ ചേച്ചിയുടെ മകൻ കൂടിയായ ഡോക്ടർ ലീസന് എൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും. അതോടൊപ്പം പുതിയ ഭാരവാഹിത്വം ഏറ്റെടുക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ മെമ്പർമാർക്കും ഭംഗിയായി പ്രവർത്തിക്കാൻ കഴിയട്ടെ എന്ന് ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ. ലോകമെമ്പാടും സുഖത്തിൻ്റെയും സൗഖ്യത്തിൻ്റെയും വികാരങ്ങൾ സ്നേഹത്തോടെ ഉണർത്തുന്ന മനോഹരമായ ഒരു മലയാള ഗീതമാണിത്. റോട്ടറി ക്ലബ്ബ് ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സൗഖ്യം പകരാൻ, സന്തോഷം പകരാൻ, സുഖം പകരാൻ സേവനം ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു പ്രസ്ഥാനമാണ്. റോട്ടറി ക്ലബ്ബ് എന്ന് കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ മഹത്തായ സേവനത്തിൻ്റെയും ആഭിജാത്യത്തിൻ്റെയും അന്തസ്സിൻ്റെയും ഓർമ്മകളാണ് മനസ്സിലേക്ക് വരുന്നത്. ഞാൻ ഫാദർ ജോർജ് നെരേപ്പറമ്പിൽ ഇരിങ്ങാലക്കുട ക്രൈസ്റ്റിൽ നിന്നാണ്. ഡോക്ടർ ലീസൺ ജോണിൻ്റെ വലിയ കുടുംബ സുഹൃത്താണ്. ലീസൺ ജോണിൻ്റെ വിവാഹം ആസ്വദിക്കുവാനുള്ള മഹാഭാഗ്യമൊക്കെ എനിക്ക് ലഭിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ലീസൺ ജോൺ ഈ മഹാപ്രസ്ഥാനത്തിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ടുള്ള തൃശ്ശൂർ ശാഖയിലെ റോട്ടറി ക്ലബിൻ്റെ ഇൻകമ്മിങ് പ്രസിഡന്റ് ആയിത്തീരുന്നു എന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്ക് വലിയ അഭിമാനമുള്ളതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ലീസൺ ജോണ് എല്ലാ ഭാവങ്ങളും നേരുന്നു, എല്ലാ മംഗളങ്ങളും നേരുന്നു. ഒപ്പം ലീസൺ ജോണിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന ഇതിൻ്റെ റോട്ടറി ക്ലബിൻ്റെ, തൃശ്ശൂർ റോട്ടറി ക്ലബിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ഭാരവാഹികൾക്കും എല്ലാ ഭാവങ്ങളും നേരുന്നു. നിങ്ങളിലൂടെ ഈ ലോകത്തിന്, സമൂഹത്തിന്, നിങ്ങളുമായിട്ട് പരിചയപ്പെടുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖവും സന്തോഷവും സമാധാനവും നിറഞ്ഞ പ്രകാശം പരക്കുവാനായിട്ട് ഇടവരട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു. എല്ലാ മംഗളങ്ങളും ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ജോർജ് നെരേപ്പറമ്പിലച്ചൻ.
Now our newly installed President, Rotarian Leeson John, will now like to present a memento to our Chief Guest, DGN Rotarian T.R. Vijay Kumar, for his love, token of our affection and love. Memento to DD Rotarian Pratap Varki. Memento to AG Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran. Memento to GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday Kumar. Memento to our program director Stalin Baby. Memento to program coordinator Shindo Chitlapalli.
And finally, to the master of today's ceremony, Rotarian Dr. Scott John.
Now our Secretary Rotarian Joy Colonor will propose the vote of thanks.
Chief Guest, DGN Rotarian T.R. Vijay Kumar, District Director Rotarian Pratap Varki, AG Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran, GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday Kumar, President Rotarian Dr. Leeson John, IPP Rotarian Vijay Simon, other dignitary on and off the dais, invited guests and annals. Good evening. Installation and Charter Day celebration of the Rotary Club of Thrissur City is reaching its culmination point. Let me conclude this function with notes of some obliging words. Let me begin by expressing my profound gratitude to today's chief guest, DGN Rotarian T.R. Vijay Kumar. Sir, we are really honored by your presence and words of wisdom. For and on behalf of our club, I thank you, sir. Thank you very much. The president of Club Rotarian, Dr. Leeson John, though very soft-spoken, it's indeed very strong-willed and committed to cause of Rotary. Thank you very much. Without this gentleman's perseverance and uncompromising pursuit, this club would not have been so successful during last year. On behalf of our club, let me offer our sincere gratitude to immediate past president, Rotarian Vijay Simon. I may like to express our sincere thanks to our district director, Rotarian Pradap Varki, for his inspiring word, guidance and support. I also wish to express my gratitude to our AG Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran for his inspiring words and guidance support. I thank our GGR Rotarian Dr. Uday Kumar for his presence and encouraging words. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to the entire organizing team for the perfect logistic support and for all the undying effort they have put into making this program a huge success. Let me conclude by saluting each one of you with a big thank from my bottom of heart. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Rotarian Joy Kolanur. The President will now adjourn the installation program.